Welcome to Rozzy Grows Wallet. So in this video, I'm gonna be exchanging the IoTs for Solana, so then I can send them to the Crypto.com exchange, so then I can go shopping on eBay. So I already exchanged the Helium that I had in the wallet. I exchanged the mobile that I had in the wallet. I converted the IoTs, and now I'm gonna send everything that's Solana to the crypto.com. So we're gonna find the wallet address for Solana for my crypto.com. Boom, crypto.com. We're gonna choose the amount, 4. We're gonna hit confirm, swipe to the right, and off it goes into the crypto space. You no longer need to pay Western Union fees, PayPal fees to transfer money. You can send crypto in a matter of seconds and receive your money. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned. Rozzy Grows.